Welcome along the site. This is the site for the new house. We will be putting a new bungalow on here. Camper van for making a tea and a coffee. Little mini digger. I'm going to do some drain exploration today. Yeah. The site's about 45 metres long and about 15-16 metres wide at its widest point. I've already been in and done a little bit of digger work just to expose there was a house on the site built in the 1800s, knocked down early 2000s due to subsidence. Yeah, should be a bit of fun. Stay tuned and watch. This is going to be the first job today. We have a existing drain down in the hole there. We're going to try and find the other end of it, roughly where the digger is. Expose it, put a chamber in, and bring a new mainline sewer all the way up here. And where that board is, that's going to be the other chamber, picking up the other end of the pipe. The existing line is off the old house, so we need to move that. It's damaged anyway. It's a live drain feeding the houses behind, so it'll be a bit of fun and games and try and get that all connected without making a mess of myself. Yeah. Hi, that's the end of that section. Mainly dealing with the drains and the connections that we need to do for the house. The next section is to do with foundations. Already off camera, we've brought in 100 ton of Type 1 hardcore, leveled all that and compacted it. We will now start making the forms for the concrete, putting down the steel work, and that'll be the next video. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thanks for your time. Bye.